Certificate of Service, formal proof of legal document delivery. A certificate of service is a formal declaration used to verify and record the proper delivery of legal or official documents to the appropriate party or parties. It plays a critical role in administrative, civil, and judicial proceedings, ensuring due process and providing documented evidence that service requirements have been met. Purpose and importance. The purpose of the certificate of service is to demonstrate that a particular notice, document, or legal filing has been officially delivered to the required individuals or entities. It is an essential component in court filings and motions, administrative remedy packages, private notices and affidavits, commercial lien processes, notices of default, opportunity to cure, or demands. Proper service and the recording of that service are vital to upholding legal accountability and ensuring that the receiving party cannot later claim ignorance of the document or proceeding. Contents of a certificate of service. A standard certificate of service typically includes 1. Name of the document being served. 2. Date of service. 3. Method of delivery, e.g., certified mail, first-class mail, personal service, private courier. 4. Name and address of the receiving party. 5. Signature of the serving party or authorized agent. 6. Notary or witness section, optional but recommended for added evidentiary value. When to use it. Use a certificate of service whenever you are delivering legal documents to an opposing party in a court case, mailing important notices related to administrative procedures, sending private documents that require acknowledgement of delivery, building a legal record for future enforcement or evidence. Legal standing. A properly executed certificate of service may be submitted as evidence in court or arbitration proceedings to validate the timeliness and manner of service. It supports due process rights by confirming that each party was properly notified. Best practices. Always retain a signed copy for your records. Include a copy with any future filings or affidavits that reference the served document. Use certified mail with tracking when possible, and attach the return receipt to the certificate of service. Keep a log of all service activities with dates and methods. Conclusion. The certificate of service is more than just a formality, it's a foundational element of procedural integrity. Whether you are navigating court processes, administrative remedies, or private legal efforts, this document ensures that your efforts to notify and inform other parties are legally recognized and verifiable.